So this is what the fuck it's like when you're single. Like this, I'm gonna play some music or something. Really like this is some bullshit. Oh, I almost went to sleep on you guys. Anyway, what I'm gonna talk about right now is this dumbass song right here. Oh, hell no! The minute I try to get y'all some action, it's not responding. Mm. Mm. I look drunk as hell, don't I? Yeah. Mm-hmm. Anyway, okay. Sorry, y'all. I'm in a real goofy mood right now. Getting kind of sleepy. How am I going to sleep with lip gloss on? Don't y'all hate bitches like that? Like, you wake up and you look over, that bitch got on lip gloss. You know that bitch ain't been asleep all night. She been staring at your ass when you wake up, and that bitch got on lip gloss. That means she been waiting for your ass to wake up so she can see you, and she's sitting there all pretty and shit. Not snoring or nothing. Not making no movement. You know what I'm saying? Just, you know that bitch ain't. She been doing this shit to your ass all night. Gawking at your ass. Straight gawking. Hey, oh my god. Okay. I was gonna play some music, but fuck that. The birds falling out the motherfucking sky dead? Dead, deaf. They dead. Dead, die, deaf. You, I think it's in the water. Or the food or something. Like, stop eating fast food restaurants. Because if y'all bitches like me, y'all know what y'all doing? Y'all, the food that y'all get from KFC and Popeyes and shit like that. Y'all be throwing the shit out the fucking window. And the birds is eating that shit down. Death? Death. 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 They died. And it's all our fault. They died. Don't judge my hair, by the way. Like I said in my last video, my first one. Say, I ain't calling my hair. Fuck y'all. I'm a little off, so that's why I have random moments where I'm like, that's that slow shit. That's that slow shit. Like, straight. And I'm narcoleptic. Like, so I might be recording one of these motherfucking videos and fuck around, fall asleep on y'all motherfucking head. Straight up. See, that's some random ass shit. Who do that? And that's the shit you do when you're in the bathroom by yourself. Yeah. You know what I'm saying, baby? Mm, 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 mm. Pick it, 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 pick it. Mm, 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 mm. That's the shit when y'all do in the bathroom by yourself. Y'all don't think nobody's looking and shit. Man, be drifted and shit. Hey, motherfucker always walking into the bathroom on my ass and I be in there acting in rare form, you know what I'm saying? I curse a lot, right? Fuck around and ban me from Facebook. Everybody addicted to Facebook. I am addicted to Facebook. I don't know why. I just be there and I don't know what's on there and I just be there. But what is on Facebook that everybody won't? Like, 'cause I don't get it. I be on there looking for what y'all on there for, and I can't find nothing. So now y'all got me addicted to this shit, and I don't want any parts of it. I don't. Aw, this is our life. Anyway, okay. I've been recording for 5 minutes and 28 seconds. I'm all all the way on, doing big things. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, this Keish, and I'm gay, and I'm addicted to what most men want that's not gay, and I'm not afraid or ashamed to say it. See you guys. Bye.